Welcome. Take a deep breath, because today something shifts inside you. Every person you admire, every creator, speaker, entrepreneur, dreamer, they all began with this same moment. A moment where they chose to stop waiting and start becoming. As Jay Shetty often reminds us, your life doesn't change in a year. It changes in a moment when you decide to take the first step. Productivity isn't about doing more. It's about becoming more. Habits aren't routines you force. They are identities you grow into. And today, we grow into something greater. There's a reason why most people feel stuck. Not because they're lazy, not because they're broken, but because their habits are built for the life they outgrew. Eric Thomas said it best in his style. You can't stay at level 1 and expect level 10 results. Your habits shape your destiny quietly. In the small decisions, the hidden hours, the unnoticed mornings, productivity is not a race. It's a rhythm. It's waking up and saying, just one step, just one page, one workout, one act of discipline. Mel Robbins teaches us, you're never going to feel like it. So act before your brain talks you out of it. Every micro-action compounds. Every repetition rewires you. Every small win shifts your identity from I hope I become productive to I am productive. This is how transformation begins. Slow, quiet, unglamorous, but unstoppable. Now listen closely. This is the turning point. You've been waiting for motivation to find you. But Gary Vee reminds us in his tone, you don't need motivation, you need self-awareness and action. Your future doesn't respond to wishes. It responds to work, not chaotic work, but intentional work, powered by habits that align with your purpose. Imagine this. Every day, you show up for yourself for just 1 hour. One focused hour, one disciplined hour, one committed hour. Now multiply that by 7 days, then 30, then by a whole year. That's not progress. That's transformation. That's a completely new you. Tom Bilyeu would say, every action you take is a vote for the future you're building. So what are you voting for? Distractions, excuses, stories about who you used to be? Or are you ready to cast a new vote today? A vote for consistency, a vote for discipline, a vote for becoming the person you dreamed you could be. This is the moment in the old you breaks, and the new you takes the first breath. Your habits are the architects of your destiny. Your productivity is the engine of your transformation. You don't need perfection. You just need today. And the courage to start. So rise. Not tomorrow, not later, but now. Prince Ea says something powerful in his style. Your future self is begging you to start. Listen to that voice. Honor it. Move with it. Because everything you want, the confidence, the success, the peace, the discipline, is waiting on the other side of one choice, the decision to show up. So show up today, show up tomorrow, show up every day after that. And one morning, you will look in the mirror and realize you didn't just build habits, you built a new life. Listen. If this message spoke to you, even for a second, then don't keep it to yourself. Hit that like button, not for me, but for the next person who's fighting a silent battle and needs to hear this. Subscribe, because every week we're leveling up together, step by step, habit by habit. And share this video with someone you love. You never know. This might be the exact message that pulls them back into their purpose. Remember, you're not just watching videos, you're building a new you. Stay focused, stay hungry, and as Eric Thomas would say, I'll see you at the top, because the bottom is way too crowded. See you in the next one.